So today's video is about the mistakes that could be killing your YouTube channel, and you're not knowing it, and unknowingly you're doing those mistakes, and you're feeling like why the click-through rate is so low, why people are not visiting my channel, why viewers are leaving my channel, the video in the middle. I'll tell you the mistakes, and you can go through these things in just a minute, and you can see that these mistakes, if they are costing you your videos or your channel, and if by correcting these mistakes, you could lead a better video or better viewership or maybe a lot of subscribers. Let's deep dive into this. The one of the biggest mistakes that YouTubers make is the new YouTubers basically, the creators, they make is the thumbnail.
Yeah, boy.
They don't emphasize on the thumbnail. I have previous videos how to make a video and how to emphasize and make a thumbnail attractive. You can watch that too, but in this video I want to tell you that thumbnails are the most important when it comes to viewership, because if I'm a person who's coming to a YouTube platform, if the somehow your video pops up in front of the list I have of the videos, but your video thumbnail is not colorful, not attractive, the words are different, or there's too much written on the the thumbnail, I cannot read it all. Have you seen lately that YouTube is throwing videos of a person and there's a little text on it, just says like watch this or YouTube about this, and that's it. And that algorithm helps them, and also the viewership knows that what to watch, and that's a clear picture, and you know that this is the person who's going to talk to you now. The catchy thumbnail, that was a time when the catchy thumbnails were like in, and the clickbaits were in, but nowadays people don't watch it. If you have a clickbait and people come to your video, they will leave in the first 30 seconds, and your video will get a lower retention rate, and that's gonna kill your channel at the end of the day. So thumbnail is the most important thing to make, and Canva is one of the best platforms to the way you can get thumbnails from. Edit them, write a text, and you can watch my other videos and you'll see what I'm talking about, thumbnails and how they're important. You know, few of my videos I have got lesser views just because of the thumbnail, and I have put them there. I'm not changing them right now because I want to show people what is basically affecting, and I'm learning on the way as well. So thumbnail comes first. And also don't ignore your audience, because this YouTube, you have to understand, this is YouTube platform is not for you just, it's for your viewers. You are making videos that people can watch, right? You are not making videos for yourself, otherwise you don't have to come on YouTube. If you come on YouTube, you will not public this video, you will keep it private, right? So you are making it public because you want people to see it. So you cannot ignore the audience, that if people are watching this, I'm making a different video. Yes, you can make a different video. That's not something I'm not saying not to make it, but don't ignore them. If something is in, for example, a YouTube topic is very much popular these days, you have to make a video on that too, because you need audience. And make different videos as well, because if you make a video that is how the grass grows, and you show that in the motion picture, like how the grass is growing from the seed and everything, people are there to watch that too. But keep your audience in check, and specifically your niche, that what type of people are watching your video and liking it, and try to make those videos more, with the specific time period and whatever you like, but you have to keep your audience in check, that what type of audience you have and what type of videos you're making. If you have a serious channel about science, you cannot just upload one funny video on that. If the video people come from the other side, they just want to watch funny videos and they click on your other videos, they're gonna just watch and just stop watching it. That will drop your retention rate again. So be specific about your audience. Most of the people don't know SEO, and you have seen, if you have TubeBuddy, again watch my other videos. I have shown you how to use different softwares, and which are free as well, and you will learn about that. TubeBuddy is one of the softwares that I've talked about earlier as well. It helps you see the SEO of your video. The better SEO score will have a better chance. Your video might not get viral in one day. After 10 days, your video get 100 of views, and then after 10 days, it will drop again. After like a month, it might get again 1,000 or 2,000 views. It can go that way, but your SEO score must be above 50. You've seen a lot of videos. If you have TubeBuddy, for the free version, you can see the videos that other people post. They have 30 SEO score, 20 SEO score, or sometimes 0 SEO score. That is basically, and they might get 1,000 of views, by the way. I'm not saying they won't. The thumbnail might work, in that case. But there are thousands of YouTubers who will fail because of just because of this SEO. So keep that in mind. Use ChatGPT, use different softwares, even TubeBuddy. You will know how to put SEOs. Watch other videos that they tell you that, even my videos, that how to generate SEOs. SEOs are very important. Keyword optimization is very important. Tags are very important. Otherwise, these all things collectively make your video basically. You cannot skip the one part and say that it didn't work, because it didn't work because of you, not because of anything else. Then how the retention rate drops, and you don't focus on that. Retention rate is very important. Why people are leaving your video? Because of your intro. If your intro is not strong, if the hook is not that strong, then you fail to communicate that what is this video will be about, and what exciting things you're going to learn in this video. Nobody's going to watch. If I'm going to tell you that, hello, how are you, and this video is about this, and this video will tell you about it, the viewer will leave the video, because it's so boring to start with. Or otherwise, if I'll say that you're going to learn in this video a lot of things that you never knew before, so now you're excited that there might be something new in it. That will take you to 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and maybe in the middle you will put again a hook, in the middle again a hook, and like this way your video will go a long way. And audience retention means a lot. YouTube knows your video is important just because of the audience attention. It knows that people are watching your 10-minute video till 8 minutes. It means there is something in it, because everybody is watching till 8 minutes, and it will throw your video to other people, a lot of more people. And viral is something very small. Let me tell you that. Viral is something very small and very magical at the same time, because you don't know the subscriber you're looking for, like one subscriber today, the second the other day, and 100 subscribers the other day, and 1 lakh subscriber or 1 million subscriber the other day. It can just go like that. But you have to be consistent about everything, learning, posting videos. Consistency basically is the key. As I said, inconsistent posting kills your YouTube channel. YouTube uploaded 5 videos this week, 1 video the other week, 3 videos the other week. YouTube is unable to understand your pattern. It cannot understand, because it's a basic AI or a software tool, right? It's just, consider it a bot, that it cannot understand your algorithm patterns. Why are you posting 5 videos a week? Okay, 5 videos first week, that was awesome. YouTube is showing videos to others, but the other week you just uploaded 1 video, and the other week 3 videos. So this inconsistency is going to kill your video channel. Make it sure that if you post 1 channel a month, keep posting 1 video a month. Sorry, 1 channel a month. No. So keep posting 1 video a month, 2 videos a month, 3 videos, whatever feels comfortable to you. Just don't overburn yourself, because that will lose the interest, because it's a long-term game. It could go. But one thing I can promise you about this thing: if you're consistent in posting the date and schedules, consistent in your niche, finding your niche, maybe not in the first 2 months, maybe not in the first 3 months, but after 2 to 3 months you have to be specific about your niche, that this niche I'm going to follow, and be consistent about it, and be consistent about posting, and be consistent about learning. Consistency is not just posting, it's about learning as well. You have to make this video better than the last one. That's the consistency you need. You learn every video, and I can guarantee you that there's nothing that will hold you back. Your success is 100% guaranteed. It might take time, maybe 6 months or a year, but your success on YouTube is 100% guaranteed, because you're learning every day. Your first video you posted on YouTube is like the worst one, and the last video, the 100th video you have posted on YouTube, is the way better one, because you are an editor now. So this is consistency in every specific field of life, and consistency in your habits. Try to make it a habit. Everything is a piece of cake for you then. And go watch my video which is on consistency, and you will see that how consistency can make you the most attractive person. And the second last thing I would talk about is your video quality and your audio quality. Your video and audio quality matters a lot sometimes. If you have a good mobile phone, that's fine. Video quality might, is, if it is bad, the people will tolerate that. But a bad audio is not being tolerated, because if they cannot hear you, there is no purpose of watching you, right? So audio is the most important thing. And you have a lot of audio softwares and tools that can help you. A mic, maybe if you don't have a mic, even there are softwares where you can record your audio separately and then can join in a software. And if you don't know the softwares or editing softwares or audio softwares, I have a video. I'll share the link in the description and you can watch from there, and I'll share you the free softwares and tools that you can use for your video making, and that will enhance your video making and audios immensely. And finally, the thing is the emotional touch in your story. People wants to see the original you. Basically, they don't want to watch a fake person. They want to see what actually you are and how you're speaking. This is right, me, right? I cannot show extra excitement in it because I'm not. If I will be excited, I'll show you on camera because I have nothing to hide. This is me. This is that's why people love me, love my videos and everything, because they can connect. They know this is an original person talking the truth, right? I'm not just faking it away. So you never try to fake it. Try to touch and try to always involve an emotional story. Emotional means not the story that I am this and help me out. No. Emotional means how you felt when you were starting a YouTube channel, how you felt when you get 10 subscribers, how you felt when you get 20 subscribers. Personally speaking, I was a lot excited when I got first 10 subscribers. I was like on the moon. I celebrated. I treated myself with a good dinner. That was the basic thing. I celebrated a lot, and I thanked everyone that subscribed me. So that was an honor or something. I know for a creator that every subscriber is a motivation for them. They might be feeling low, but suddenly they saw the subscriber and they are like, wow, they are on the moon, right? So having said that, if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe and comment right down that what you found in this video which was useful and what you want to hear next from me. Till then, next video, take care.